How is artificial intelligence transforming our life today and also shaping our tomorrow? Imagine a world where machines understand your emotions. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already shaping the way we live, work, and interact daily. From personal assistants to self-driving cars, AI enhances convenience and efficiency while opening the door to possibilities we're just beginning to explore. Let's dive into how AI is transforming everyday life and how it might redefine the future. Did you know AI can help you manage your life with just your voice? AI-powered personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are game changers for managing day-to-day tasks. With simple voice commands, you can schedule meetings, set reminders, and even control your smart home. These assistants are designed to learn from your habits, making them more efficient and intuitive over time. This shows how AI simplifies routines and enhances convenience. Why does Netflix always seem to know what you want to watch next? Platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube use AI-powered recommendation systems to curate content tailored to your preferences. These systems analyze your habits and behavior to offer personalized suggestions. Studies show that 70% of Netflix's viewing comes from its recommendation engine. This highlights how AI personalizes entertainment to improve your experience. What if AI could save lives by diagnosing diseases early? AI is transforming healthcare by analyzing medical data to detect diseases earlier and create personalized treatment plans. AI systems have shown promise in diagnosing conditions like cancer and heart disease, often with accuracy that rivals human doctors. This showcases how AI is revolutionizing medical care and saving lives. Can your home think for itself? Smart home devices use AI to automate and optimize your living space. Smart thermostats, refrigerators, and security systems make your home more energy efficient and convenient. By learning your habits, these devices create a personalized environment tailored to your preferences. This demonstrates how AI enhances comfort and sustainability in daily life. Are we on the brink of safer, smarter roads? AI powers self-driving cars, aiming to make transportation safer and more efficient. These vehicles use sensors and algorithms to navigate, detect obstacles, and make split-second decisions, reducing human error which causes most accidents. This highlights how AI is transforming transportation for a safer future. Have you ever wondered how online stores seem to know exactly what you want before you do? AI transforms the shopping experience by predicting trends, personalizing deals, and streamlining operations. This helps customers find exactly what they want while optimizing business efficiency. Ever wondered how chatbots answer your questions instantly? AI-driven chatbots and virtual agents streamline customer service by providing instant, accurate responses to queries. These tools are constantly learning from interactions, making them more effective at resolving customer issues. This highlights how AI improves business efficiency and customer satisfaction. How can AI make our communities safer and more secure in ways we never imagined? AI improves surveillance systems, predicts crime trends, and supports law enforcement. This enhances community safety while ensuring resources are used efficiently. How can AI help us predict and prepare for natural disasters? AI analyzes vast amounts of data to predict natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods. These predictions allow governments and communities to prepare, saving lives and minimizing damage. It showcases how AI can be a vital tool in protecting lives and property. How can AI make learning more effective? Adaptive learning platforms powered by AI customize education to fit each student's needs. From virtual tutors to personalized learning paths, AI is reshaping education by ensuring that every student gets the support they need to succeed. This shows how AI is improving access to quality education worldwide. Can AI feed the growing global population? AI-powered systems are revolutionizing agriculture by analyzing soil health, predicting weather patterns, and optimizing crop yields. Autonomous machines handle tasks like planting and harvesting, increasing efficiency and sustainability. This highlights how AI addresses global food security challenges. How is AI creating new worlds of immersive experiences? From virtual reality games to AI-written scripts, The entertainment industry is embracing AI to produce immersive, engaging content. AI also helps with special effects, making movies and games more realistic. This showcases how AI is enhancing storytelling and user experiences. What if AI could help you make smarter financial decisions? AI powers tools that assist with budgeting, investing, and fraud detection. Robo-advisors analyze market trends to provide investment advice, while AI-driven banking apps help users manage their finances with ease. This demonstrates how AI simplifies financial planning and improves security. How does AI ensure your packages arrive faster and more efficiently? AI is revolutionizing logistics and supply chain management by optimizing delivery routes, predicting demand, and automating warehouse operations. Companies use machine learning to analyze traffic patterns, weather, and delivery trends to ensure timely shipments and reduce costs. With AI, businesses can adapt to market changes faster and more effectively. Can AI help us save the planet? AI plays a critical role in combating climate change by analyzing environmental data, optimizing renewable energy systems, and supporting sustainable farming practices. For example, AI helps predict weather patterns to maximize solar and wind energy efficiency, while machine learning models track deforestation and pollution levels to guide policy decisions. Can AI make our cities smarter and more livable? AI is shaping the future of urban planning by analyzing traffic patterns, optimizing public transportation, and designing energy-efficient buildings. Cities are leveraging AI to monitor real-time traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance public safety. Smart city initiatives driven by AI make urban living more sustainable and connected. Could AI help us find life beyond Earth? AI is advancing space exploration by navigating autonomous spacecraft, analyzing vast amounts of astronomical data, and identifying potentially habitable planets. NASA and private space companies rely on AI for mission planning, ensuring precise maneuvers and efficient data collection during space missions. Can AI create art as meaningful as human-made masterpieces? AI-powered tools are being used to compose music, paint, and even write stories. Artists and creators collaborate with AI to push the boundaries of creativity, blending technology with human imagination. It shows how AI is expanding the possibilities of human creativity. Want to get the most out of AI in your daily life? Tip number 1. Experiment. Try AI-powered tools for personal productivity, like calendar assistants or language learning apps. Tip number 2. Stay informed. Follow advancements in AI to see how they can benefit you. Tip number 3. Engage. Use AI tools actively to understand their potential. These simple tips are important because they can empower you to integrate AI into your life effectively. AI is transforming every aspect of life, from healthcare and education to conservation and entertainment. By understanding its applications, we can harness its power to create a smarter, more connected world. Each step forward in AI brings us closer to realizing its full potential. If this dive into AI's transformative power fascinated you, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments which AI innovation you think will shape the future the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.